From the sun-drenched surface to the deepest, darkest depths, our planet pulsates with an astonishing array of life. And nowhere is this more evident than in the world's oceans, covering over 70% of the Earth's surface. These vast interconnected bodies of water harbour a breathtaking tapestry of ecosystems, each more remarkable than the last. In 1989, SEADM International, a non-profit organisation dedicated to oceanic research and conservation, identified the 7 underwater wonders of the world. Their mission to highlight and protect these exceptional marine environments, ensuring their preservation for generations to come. These wonders were selected for their unparalleled beauty, rich biodiversity, scientific significance and environmental importance. From vibrant coral reefs teeming with life to mysterious deep-sea vents harbouring unique and ancient organisms, each wonder offers a glimpse into the extraordinary diversity and delicate balance of our planet's marine ecosystems. Join us now as we embark on a journey of discovery, diving deep into the heart of these underwater realms. We will explore the fascinating creatures that inhabit them, uncover the intricate relationships that bind these ecosystems together, and learn about the ongoing efforts to protect these irreplaceable treasures. Our journey begins in the perpetual darkness of the deep ocean, miles beneath the surface where sunlight can no longer penetrate. Here, in this seemingly inhospitable realm, we encounter one of the most extraordinary ecosystems on Earth: hydrothermal vents. These underwater geysers, spewing superheated mineral-rich water from the Earth's crust, were once thought to be barren wastelands. But in the 1970s, scientists made an astonishing discovery: life thriving in complete darkness. Clustered around these vents, we find communities of bizarre and wonderful creatures existing in a delicate balance with their extreme environment. Giant tube worms, some reaching over 6 feet in length, anchor themselves to the vent chimneys, their blood-red plumes swaying gently in the currents. These extraordinary creatures lack mouths and digestive systems, relying instead on symbiotic bacteria living within their tissues. These bacteria, harnessing energy from the vent's chemicals, provide sustenance for the tube worms in a remarkable display of co-evolution. But the tube worms are just one part of this thriving ecosystem. Ghostly white crabs scuttle across the vent chimneys, their pincers scraping at bacterial mats. Blind shrimp, their bodies covered in heat-sensing organs, swarm in their thousands, navigating the scalding waters with remarkable precision. Fish, specially adapted to the high pressures and lack of light, dart through the vent fields, their silvery scales reflecting the faint glow emanating from the vents. Mussels, clams and other bivalves, their shells encrusted with minerals, form dense aggregations, providing shelter for smaller organisms. The discovery of life at hydrothermal vents revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. It demonstrated that life could exist in the absence of sunlight, relying instead on chemosynthesis, the process of converting chemicals into energy. This discovery has profound implications for the search for life beyond our planet, suggesting that life could exist in the most extreme environments imaginable. Today, these unique and fragile ecosystems face growing threats from deep-sea mining and climate change. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of these underwater oases, we must also recognize the importance of protecting them for future generations. Our journey now takes us to the sun-drenched waters of the Caribbean Sea, where a kaleidoscope of colors awaits. Stretching over 190 miles along the coast of Belize, the Belize Barrier Reef is a vibrant tapestry of coral reefs, mangrove forests and seagrass beds. This underwater wonderland, the second largest barrier reef system in the world, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the extraordinary biodiversity found in our oceans. Here, amidst the coral's intricate formations, a dazzling array of marine life thrives. Schools of brightly colored fish, their scales shimmering in the sunlight, dart in and out of the coral branches, seeking food and shelter. Graceful stingrays, their wing-like fins gliding effortlessly through the water, scour the sandy bottom for crustaceans. Loggerhead and green sea turtles, ancient mariners that can live for over a century, patrol the reef, grazing on seagrass and jellyfish. Their presence, a symbol of resilience and longevity, reminds us of the delicate balance that sustains these ecosystems. But the Belize Barrier Reef is more than just a feast for the eyes. It plays a vital role in the health of the entire Caribbean ecosystem. The coral reefs act as natural breakwaters, protecting the coastline from erosion and storm surges. The mangrove forests, their tangled roots providing a nursery for countless fish and invertebrate species, filter pollutants from the water and help to prevent coastal erosion. And the seagrass beds, swaying gently in the currents, provide food and shelter for a variety of marine creatures, including endangered manatees. Protecting this delicate ecosystem is paramount, not just for the marine life that depends on it, but also for the millions of people who rely on the reef for their livelihoods. Sustainable tourism, responsible fishing practices, and ongoing conservation efforts are all crucial to ensuring the long-term health of this Caribbean jewel. As we marvel at the beauty and diversity of the Belize Barrier Reef, let us also remember our responsibility to protect this irreplaceable treasure for generations to come. Emerging from the Pacific Ocean, west of continental Ecuador, lie the Galapagos Islands. This volcanic archipelago, relatively young in geological terms, is an isolated world teeming with life. It is here that Charles Darwin, the father of evolution, found his most profound inspiration. The Galapagos Islands are a testament to the power of natural selection. Isolated for millennia, the creatures here have adapted to their unique environments in extraordinary ways. From giant tortoises lumbering across volcanic plains to marine iguanas grazing on seaweed in the surf, each island boasts its own distinct cast of characters. The absence of large predators has allowed many species to evolve with little fear of man. This tameness, coupled with the sheer abundance of wildlife, makes these islands a living laboratory, a place where we can witness the wonders of evolution unfolding before our very eyes. The marine environment surrounding the Galapagos is equally as extraordinary as its terrestrial counterpart. Here, nutrient-rich currents converge, supporting a kaleidoscope of marine life. Schools of hammerhead sharks patrol the depths, while playful sea lions dart amongst the coral reefs. The waters here teem with life, from the smallest invertebrates to the largest of marine mammals. Green sea turtles, drawn by the abundance of food, congregate in the shallows, their shells encrusted with barnacles and algae. The Galapagos penguin, the only penguin species found north of the equator, has adapted to thrive in this tropical paradise. Perhaps the most iconic inhabitant of the Galapagos is the marine iguana. This remarkable creature, the only lizard known to forage in the ocean, is a testament to the adaptability of life. With its blunt snout and sharp claws, it clings to rocks, scraping algae with its specialized teeth. The Galapagos Islands stand as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. These islands, though geographically isolated, are a microcosm of our planet's biodiversity, a treasure trove of unique and irreplaceable species. In the heart of the Pacific Ocean, amidst the crystal-clear waters of Micronesia, lies the island nation of Palau. Here, a submerged mountain range rises from the depths, its slopes adorned with a vibrant tapestry of coral reefs. Formed over millions of years, these reefs are a testament to the power of nature's artistry. Palau's reefs are a kaleidoscope of color and texture. Soft corals sway in the current, their delicate polyps extended to capture passing plankton. Hard corals, resembling underwater forests, provide shelter for a myriad of creatures. The diversity of life here is simply staggering. The reefs of Palau are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a vital ecosystem. They provide food and shelter for countless marine organisms, playing a crucial role in the health of our oceans. However, these fragile ecosystems face increasing threats from climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Despite these challenges, Palau remains a beacon of hope for conservation. The nation has implemented strict marine protection measures, including a network of marine reserves that cover a significant portion of its waters. These efforts have helped to ensure the long-term survival of these precious ecosystems. Palau's commitment to conservation extends beyond its borders. The nation has taken a leading role in international efforts to protect our oceans, inspiring others to follow suit. By working together, we can ensure that these underwater wonderlands continue to thrive for generations to come. The reefs of Palau are a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our planet. They are a call to action, urging us to protect these precious ecosystems for the benefit of all. Stretching over 1,400 miles along the northeastern coast of Australia lies a natural wonder so vast it can be seen from space, the Great Barrier Reef. This intricate labyrinth of coral reefs, islands and cays is the largest living structure on Earth, a testament to the power of nature over millennia. Home to an astonishing array of marine life, the Great Barrier Reef is a vibrant tapestry of color and movement. Over 1,500 species of fish, from the brightly hued parrotfish to the majestic manta ray, call this reef system home. Sharks, turtles, dolphins and whales navigate its intricate channels, drawn by the promise of abundant food. The reef's coral formations, built by tiny animals called polyps over thousands of years, provide the foundation for this extraordinary ecosystem. Each coral colony is a bustling metropolis offering food and shelter to a myriad of creatures. Crabs scuttle among the coral branches while sea stars slowly make their way across the reef, leaving a trail of devoured organisms in their wake. The Great Barrier Reef, however, is facing unprecedented challenges. Climate change, with its rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification, poses a significant threat to the survival of this delicate ecosystem. Coral bleaching events caused by prolonged periods of warmer-than-average water temperatures have become increasingly frequent and severe. Pollution from coastal development and agricultural runoff also takes its toll on the reef's health. Excess nutrients in the water can lead to algal blooms, which smother corals and block out vital sunlight. Overfishing disrupts the delicate balance of the ecosystem, removing key species that play crucial roles in maintaining the reef's health. Despite these challenges, hope remains for the Great Barrier Reef. Scientists, conservationists, and governments are working tirelessly to understand and mitigate the threats facing this natural wonder. Large-scale restoration projects are underway, aiming to replant damaged areas with coral nurseries and innovative techniques. The future of the Great Barrier Reef depends on our collective action. By reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and advocating for stronger environmental protections, we can help ensure that this iconic ecosystem continues to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. Journeying now from the world's oceans, we arrive at a site where wonder lies not in salt water, but in fresh water's embrace. This is Lake Baikal, nestled amidst the rugged Siberian landscape. Known as the Pearl of Siberia, it holds over 20% of the world's unfrozen fresh water, a reserve of staggering proportions. Formed in an ancient rift valley, Lake Baikal plunges to depths exceeding 1,600 meters, making it the deepest lake on our planet. Its age, estimated at 25 million years, makes it one of Earth's oldest lakes, a testament to the enduring power of geological time. Among Baikal's most iconic inhabitants is the Golomyanka, a unique species of fish found only in this lake. These translucent creatures lack swim bladders, relying instead on their gelatinous bodies to navigate the depths. Astonishingly, they give birth to live young, a rarity in the fish world. Another intriguing denizen is the Baikal sponge, a creature more commonly associated with the ocean. These sponges come in a surprisingly vibrant array of colors and play a crucial role in filtering the lake's water, contributing to its legendary clarity. The clarity of Lake Baikal is truly exceptional. Sunlight penetrates deep into its waters, allowing for the proliferation of diverse plant and animal life at various depths. In winter, the lake freezes over, creating a breathtaking spectacle of ice formations that shimmer under the Siberian sun. Yet, even in this seemingly pristine environment, the impact of human activity is being felt. Pollution and climate change pose significant threats to this fragile ecosystem, highlighting the urgent need for its protection. Our final destination takes us to a region bathed in warm, crystal-clear waters, the Northern Red Sea. Here, vibrant coral reefs teem with life, earning this area the moniker Underwater Garden of Eden. This underwater paradise boasts a dazzling array of marine species, a spectacle that draws divers and marine enthusiasts from across the globe. The Northern Red Sea is home to over 1,200 fish species, a testament to the richness of this marine ecosystem. From the graceful rays gliding through the water to the brightly colored parrotfish nibbling on coral, the diversity of life here is simply astounding. But the Northern Red Sea is not just a feast for the eyes. It also plays a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. The reefs here serve as nurseries for countless fish species, ensuring the health and productivity of the entire region. However, this delicate ecosystem faces growing threats. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing all cast a shadow over this underwater paradise, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the Northern Red Sea. Local communities, scientists, and governments are working together to protect this invaluable ecosystem, implementing sustainable fishing practices and establishing marine protected areas. The future of this underwater wonderland depends on our collective action to mitigate the impacts of climate change and promote responsible tourism, ensuring that future generations can marvel at its beauty. From the depths of Lake Baikal to the kaleidoscopic reefs of the Northern Red Sea, we've embarked on a journey through some of Earth's most extraordinary underwater realms. These hidden treasures not only showcase the planet's natural beauty, but also emphasize the importance of preserving these fragile ecosystems for future generations. Each of these 7 underwater wonders, from the fiery vents of the deep sea to the sunlit shallows of coral reefs, reminds us of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. They serve as a powerful reminder of our responsibility to protect our planet's oceans and the incredible biodiversity they harbor. For more detailed information on these underwater wonders and the ongoing efforts to protect them, you can visit the original article 7, Underwater Wonders of the World. Let us all do our part to ensure that these aquatic marvels continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come.